Ang inagising yung cheater.
Alis ka dyan, Bral. Sino?
Cheater yung Aquino eh. Yan.
Patay ako.
Ba't
Ngi.
nakatayo ka lang?
Hindi. Speed boss ako.
Hindi, nakatayo ka lang sa paningin ko.
So, yun yung gamit par. At sana po nun. Tangina kasing ano.
Cheater yung Aquino ga.
Hindi ko mapatay-patay yung
Ay,
babae.
patay ako! Aquino.
Cheater nga yan, boy. Hindi nga yan clean sa ano.
ID clean yan sa PC check. Yun lang.
Clean siya nung pinisi-check nung isa kasi hindi naglagay ng ano, ng tawag dito, PC check result. Pero sabi ni Kian meron daw yun. Okay, no na naman.
Patay isa.
Ba't ganun? May helmet sila gang.
May helmet.
Naka-helmet
Patay ako ni Aquino doy. Wala
Cheater na
walang
yun.
limit sa akin.
See? Hindi, nabaril ko na siya, na-head ko na shot.
Putang inang Aquino talaga to. Spammer pa.
In a club with some wines and I pipe down. Shawty got me out too high. I be stepping on the beach in some white ones. Can't control, I think I'm too fly.
Isa pa.
She back it back, oh, she in that mode. I rip her tracks out, she gotta go. I hop up on my bike, just piecing out the L's. It's not about the way, yeah, this where you go. You believe in yourself, it will get you through it. Oh, I believe in myself. Okay, you see what I'm doing? In a club with some wines and I pipe down. Shawty got me out too high. I be stepping on the beach in some white ones. Can't control, I think I'm too fly.
Isa pa. Gogi! Paano yun natatapos?